This is the definition of irony. Rain. Hanging in there at 900 RPMs. Starts right up. At least they used to. Gotta work on the richness a little bit more. There's a little main new carbs, or I should say the rebuilt carbs. Setting the idle on them individually. Oh, there we go. That's a little lean then. That's the problem. So we'll fix that. Also, put the new, let's see if we can get some, put the new thermostat in there. It's holding right at 185. Perfect. So a little fine tuning now. Work on the mixture, work on the idle. This has a mild cam in it. All through, took all that apart and sandblasted it and painted it. Etc. So check the temperature. Perfect. So we'll get the fine tuning done now, and maybe do a little road drive. But that idle is sweet, right? Because that is not what. Got a little smoke coming over here. Let's see where it is. What's going on here? Huh? Can't see. Alright, we'll take a look at that. So, but very, very happy. Time to take it for a drive now. So pretty excited. Got to tighten up the bars once I get the idle set. But it's getting there. So maybe I'll take a video of setting the idle with the tubes. Get that done. But as soon as it stops raining, this is going out on the road. More later.